always cool. Today I have a Temu haul, okay? I am not going to show this whole bag. I'm going to split it up because it's a lot in this bag, okay? Hope everyone is doing well. I am thankful, grateful, and blessed to be here. All right, so, let's see. I'm going to start with these leopard shoes that I got, okay? I already wore these, y'all, okay? They are so comfortable, okay? I got these in a size, I think I got these in a size 10, because I wanted them to fit, you know, when they're coming from China or wherever. But they are so nice, okay, underneath. Okay. And I will have the price up there because I don't remember it right offhand. Okay? Alrighty. So, I got this cute printed dress. Got the leopard print in it as well, y'all. I love leopard. Okay? Actually, I'm thinking, can I wear that? No, probably not. But this here is really nice. I love this dress. It's a full-length dress. It has a maxi dress, and it has pockets. Okay, it has pockets, and I will show it up there. You can see it better on me. Okay, it's real long. Okay, and I will also insert the price. But this is really pretty. The material on it is stretchy. Very nice. Very comfortable. Because I tried it on. Okay. To make sure they fit. Because if they didn't, it would be going back. For sure. Okay. Alright. And I also have this here. What is it called? It's a stove protector. Okay, I wanted to get one of these for our stove, and it comes packaged like this. I didn't open it because I knew I was gonna probably have a hard time getting it back in. And this is how it looks. Yes, okay. This should fit our stove. They look like they fit. Yeah. It's a protector. You know, to keep your stuff from spilling so much on your stove and all. Yeah. It's real nice. I don't know. I'm looking at it now. This thing in the middle looks like it might be too short. But anyway, that's a stove protector. And I also got me one of the dupe of the Stanley cups. Mine was cheap. I think I only paid y'all don't want to be looking and stuff like that there because that takes up too much time, and I'm trying not to let my videos be too long. Okay, and it screws off. Okay, I got me a cup from excuse me, from what was it, Dollar, no, from Dollar Tree, and it's the stainless steel on the inside. I'm telling you, I drink my coffee. I make my coffee about maybe 7:20 right before I leave for work, and my coffee stay hot until like 10:30, 10:45, and I'm done drinking it by then. But yeah, I got this here. I forgot how many ounces it is. It came in this box right here, and they don't tell you what it is. But I think this might be a 30 ounce or something like that. And plus it had the straw to go with it. Very nice. I can put this in my car or when I'm going to be somewhere going all day. Excuse me for bending down. Alright, so okay. I did that. Alright. So I also got these eyelashes, y'all. I'm trying to get into eyelashes. I was gonna wear these today, but I don't know. I didn't. I didn't put on any makeup or anything like that there, but these are so cute. They are so nice, y'all. And they feel good. And I don't think that'll be too much for me. I think they're so cute. Absolutely beautiful. Because I like it when it starts small there and then come out like that cat eye look. I like that. Y'all, let me say something to you. I don't know what you're going through or what's going on in your life, but let me tell you something. There is nothing too hard for God, honey. And we are living in a day where we need God, okay? And we need the strength of our friends, our family. We need help with our mental, you know what I'm saying? So please remember that Jesus loves you, and there is nothing that you are going through that is impossible for him to heal you from, to deliver you from, to get you out of. Okay, there is nothing too hard for God. I'm telling you, I've been there, done that. I'm not saying I've been through everything, no ma'am, because I'm still going through some stuff. But I have been running this race for a long time, and I ain't tired yet. But anyway, yeah, God is able to bring you through and take you through anything that you are going through, okay? So just remember that. If you feel yourself in a bad situation, pray and ask God to help you get out, okay? Help you to get out. Pray for deliverance, pray for safety, okay? Because I'm telling you, we live in a day and time where the enemy don't care who he after, who he get, because guess what? The Bible said he come to sift us as wheat, okay? So yeah, but you know what? God said that he comes to give us abundant life and to give it to us. Yeah. All right, so I got these here, glasses here. They came in the plastic in this box right here. And I don't know what they look like, but let's see. They look funny because I think they like a Blu-ray to me. I guess with this here on here, it's not a sunglass, but what y'all think? I don't know. I love me some black frames though. I really love me a black frame. I think they okay, but they not. Can't see too good because of the thing. But anyway, these right here I got, and I will leave the price up and up there somewhere, y'all. Yeah, but I got those as well, and they come with a little cloth here. Okay. Okay, and I also got these here. This here, okay, this was like a shaper. I wanted a shaper for like to wear with my pants, okay, and with my yeah, I could wear this with my also my maxi dresses as well. But I wanted the long one to wear with my pants in the wintertime because I don't like panty lines, okay? And these are really, really nice. I got this in a 2X, and I will leave the price up there. Yeah, but these are really nice. I'm like, whoa. Really, really nice. Okay. And I also got the slit. Okay, I wanted the slit that hugs your body, so that's what I got. I got the slit that hugs your body, which is really nice. Okay, this is really, really nicely made, and of course, you know, it's got that lacquer in it. Y'all know I love lacquer. And then when I used to do my thrift hauls, when I used to do that. Okay, I was supposed to slip it out. I flipped it out the wrong way, but that's okay. Okay, this is it. This is Blings 208. Okay, and it comes packaged like this with the flap over it. I done wore this. I love it. It comes like this. Y'all, when I say this stuff smells so good and it lasts. This is 208. It's called Lab of Nature 208 Milk and Candy. Love this. Okay, this smells good. Oh, ooh, y'all. I haven't sprayed and stuff today with perfume. I was waiting to do the haul. Oh, yes. Now, and tell you something. This one, I like it lasts. It lasts. I like the other one I got too as well, but that one don't last like this one. This one I think was like 16 something. But yeah. So you better do something. Oh God, it smells delicious. Yes, y'all, get you some of this and it lasts. That's what I like about it too. It lasts. So yeah. Alright. And I'm gonna show this A here that I got. I tried to put it on in the okay, the A initial. It came packaged better than that, y'all, but I've been wearing it, I have to tell the truth. And it comes like this. I love it. Okay, like that. Okay, but it's an A. I'm not gonna put it on. I forgot I had changed. I put my A on there, but I got that to go with these A earrings I got here from Temu. I love my little A earrings. But this here I usually wear this and this together. Okay. Have it like that. Very nice. I have it hanging like that. Okay. You can see it. Okay, but that's the A. Okay, no wonder I can't see y'all. I ain't tell me I ain't have my glasses on. Oh yeah, there you go. I see you better now. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. All right, Andrea. All right. All right. Okay, so up next is 14 minutes in. We don't want to do that long. I got these here Croc charms. Okay, let's see. We got a butterfly, cute little butterfly. We got cute little like a flower. That's cute. We got love. Yes. I love my Crocs, y'all. I'm gonna get a new pair though. I need a new pair because I wear them a lot. Got this little brooch like that. And got Chanel number 5. Okay. And we have the heart. Okay. And we have like 2 of them of everything. Oh yeah. And we have this here. This little thing here. Yeah, but that's for my Crocs. And oh, yeah, I see what that goes to now. It goes inside here, which it broke off. Okay, it goes inside this flower here. It broke out off of it. I just seen it. I'll just glue it back. And this little one here. Okay. So that's my Croc stuff. My little Croc charms. I had to fix that. Glad I noticed it while I was and let's see. Y'all, I got these here for my feet. These are like little things you put on your feet, your toes. I got 2 of these, okay. 2 of them come in a pack. One is already in the room. where I took it off and put it back on, and took it off and put it back on. But it has like a little cushiony there. You can wear these at night. You can wear them during the day. I wear mine at night to correct my toes, because my toes come together. Like, I don't know what happened to my toes, y'all. The doctor don't even know. I tell you. I'm like, oh my goodness. So yeah, so the toe next to the big toe they come together like, and so I'm trying to correct it. Okay, so yeah, it comes two in a pack. I got one. So that's one. Get a couple more, and yeah, I'm gonna do this dress right here. This dress right here, y'all, I love. Oh my goodness, it is so comfortable. But the only thing I have to do is take these dresses up. So when y'all see them, when I'm trying them on up here, you'll see that I have already taken them up, because they are long. I mean, I'm only 5'2.5". This is cute. I love this dress. Okay, it's maxi dress, and it comes with pockets. Okay, it has the pockets, and this one has like the sort of like the scoop neck. I love. Okay, so yeah, love that. You'll see it up here. You'll see me modeling it up there. Okay, so y'all, I thank y'all so much for tuning in with me for about 20 minutes. I appreciate y'all so much, and remember that there is nothing too hard for God. I don't care what you're going through. He is a deliverer. He is a savior. He is a healer. He is a provider. He's your strong tower and your very present help in time of trouble. But trust him and believe in him, and he will see you through. Love you all. Remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you. Until I see you on the next video, decree and declare over your life, over your children. Pray over your children. Pray over your family, God. In the name of Jesus, I thank you. Pray over your family. Pray over yourself. Decree that you are abundant. You're wealthy. You're prosperous to be a blessing. You have multiple streams of income. And you can do what it is that you desire to do in this life. God bless you. Bye-bye. Love you all.